Good evening, everybody. We have a snowstorm on the table this evening, and this is going to be a very interesting topic in the next few days or so. A lot of the models are going to start to coalesce, I think, and see if this is going to be a big storm or not. But it's going to be around January 27th of next week. So we can see here anywhere in Chicago or northern Indiana, northwestern Ohio, southern Michigan, central Illinois, Arkansas getting in on some hefty snowfall amounts. Um, and then we have like a secondary system come January 6th and 27th. But we want to focus on the one that's really going to occur more recently, or I should say the nearest in the future, which would be this one, which is the one on the January 26th time frame. So we want to keep our eyes on that. Again, it's January 20th, so we have a lot of time to go until this comes to fruition. But let's keep our eyes on this, guys. This could be our first major snow for a lot of these areas in a long time. And maybe, it's been what, 30 plus days since I think, I don't quote me on that, but I think, it's been back in December since we got a major snow for these areas. So um, let's take a look at our handy dandy NAO, because usually that correlates with things getting worse in the winter time in terms of cold and snow. Usually you'll see a negative NAO, and it's neutral to negative, so it's not anything drastic. But again, we have that significant drop in the NAO in the next 2 weeks, a good standard deviation below normal. So that's a good signal for cold. Let's take a look at our Arctic oscillation. And this is just, I never seen it spread out this far. The models have no idea what to do with this in the next 2 weeks. But as you can see, the AO is just very all over the place in terms of the forecast. But right now, let's take a look at that. It's currently negative. Um, so again, that correlates with cold, which is again why I think we'll see a lot of cold over the eastern half of the USA in the next 2 weeks or so. And this is a more of a medium range update. I don't want to give long range forecasts in this video right now because I don't have that much confidence in the information that's out right now. But again, we have this storm system coming in on the 26th right here, producing some snows for areas along the Midwest and Great Lakes, and cold air behind that, a clipper behind that, and then cold air behind that. And the cold air stays after this, so that's kind of interesting. The cold air tries to stick around, so I think that does correlate with the SSW event, the sudden stratospheric warming event. We'll have to see though how strongly that correlates. Now, remember, if you watched my update yesterday, I showed you the Euro for 45-day snowfall. This is all correlating with the SSW event, and we'll have to see how significant of an SSW event it comes to fruition in. Um, so that's what I'll close with. Again, I think it's going to be a very cold end to winter, and yeah, I'll close with that. So peace out, guys, and thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for more long-range weather content. Make sure you come join our group on Facebook. It's called Hurricane Winter Severe Weather Innovation Group on Facebook. Weather group, that is. And then there's my site that I'm trying to start. It's called analyticalweatherstuff.com. So just throwing that stuff out there. But in the meantime, guys, thanks for watching. Stay blessed and peace out.